We got a Christmas Eve action shot of Daryl here. The tank is kind of getting all finished off the Joe's car. Finish up the last of the welds and then pressure test.
Oh, look at that. This thing has been falling apart on me like there's no tomorrow. Very thin aluminum.
Very thin aluminum, right?
Very thin. But it will hold gas.
It will hold gas.
And it will not leak.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
So this is what Gibby does on Christmas Eve. What do we got?
Yep.
I think you and Daryl were conspiring against me.
Why is that?
You done made it, you done built it. Then I come over and I'm like, whoa, that looks good. So no bolting on top.
Yeah, we were going to put, remember, we were going to put screws to that piece, and the more I looked at it, we're going to have the heads of the screws pop. We got to countersink them.
So how's it work?
Just because it latches on the bottom with the...
Yeah.
So...
Let's see it work. I want to see it on there.
Okay. Here we go. So I got a front piece here that goes in right there.
Okay.
I gotta line my little marks up where my wheels go. Goes like that. Are we done? Yep. That's it. Pretty simple.
Look at that.
Huh?
Man, it's on. And it's secure. I mean, it's secure.
Oh, well, it ain't done yet. We'll get that next.
Yeah, finish welding it up. And then,
my back little piece we come up with. Yeah.
We'll set that hood back on there, make sure it's in both ways.
I'm going to let you do that.
That'll be a whole nother set of issues, but maybe not. Maybe it'll just fit like it did.
Yeah.
That would be good.
Yeah.
So I like that.
How's it look from the backside?
Yeah, I like that a lot.
You know, I got little lips on it, so, you know, it don't catch or hit. There's a lip up in here. And that looks a lot better there, too. I'm digging that.
It does. It's clean. Well, very good.
I mean, it's kind of coming along.
Kind of coming along. It's been a while coming, but it's coming along.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm going to go and do some more body work.
Okay.
See what it looks like here in a little bit. So you'll have the other side here maybe today?
Yeah. Hopefully. I mean, I got to come off of here or something. And, you know, we're just into the body. There's no real clip or spot to lock these deals in. You know, it's just a hole I'm catching on the edge of the hole.
Well, but it's as good as it was originally. Actually, it's pretty sturdy. So that'll work. That will work. You're going backwards.
No.
No. Okay.
You know, we had them, you know, just, I don't know what they were. Just kind of.
Yeah. It was kind of wonky.
So that's our final product right there. It's got the little bend that the body's got.
Mm-hmm.
I welded the nut in there so the screw goes in this way. This one just screw bolt on the bottom.
Yep. Screws right on.
Yeah, and it's strong. Then the other end, if they remember, you know, this was just a flat piece.
Mm-hmm.
So I added another piece on, capped it, so it should be stronger.
Custom, one of a kind.
Yeah. So, I mean, you can even see back here the little bend it gets, but yeah.
Okay.
I'm happy finally.
Yeah. I can paint that whole thing and call it, okay, that looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, before you paint it, I think we ought to spin.
Oh, we're going to fit it all together. But yeah.
Now, I just got to kind of duplicate everything over there. I still got to do my latches.
Okay.
See what I mean? It's just a hole in the body.
Well, that's factory there.
This is? It just hooks on there?
That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Whoa, okay. Huh. Okay. Well, that's cool. No, awesome today. I mean, the things.
You can see an end.
I
What
mean,
is an end right there?
Yeah.
It's now just
I mean, and
clean it up, send it to paint.
that turned out so nice compared to,
That did.
you know, and man, it just.
Well,
fits so
yeah, it's like, it's right.
Well, here you can look at the other side. You can see what the front was over here and stuff in the back, kind of. You know, we were having. This is all we had. See, now that's my new starting on my plate. This one back here. But this is what we had with that over the top piece.
Yep.
Um.
And it was over the top. And then this being, of course,
Yeah.
the gap. So you filled that in.
Yep. And then plus when our side goes on, it's just. I mean, that's all that turned out to be. Just that's it.
It'll come out nice.
Yeah. And I didn't warp it all to death. Look down that baby. Woo!
Well, that's not too bad. It's actually got the angle that it needs.
Yeah. You know. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm real happy.
All right. So we're not too far away from moving towards paint on it.
No, boy. Yeah. Ooh. Did you ever get them body clips for me? Did we ever order them? Yeah. You got them. I think I see them over there. Yeah.
What body clip?
So we don't put nuts on the back of them.
Oh, yeah. I got those.
Aren't they called
They're
body
up in the other
clips
building,
or-
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yep.
That'll make life so much easier.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So,
Dad says I got to quit saying
but she's,
I just caught myself doing it. We got to get these painted too. We got our.
oh, that's right. So we had to switch our AC around.
This one goes here, like this.
Yep.
And what it was before is, didn't it come out the side?
It came out the side and the hood would not go on.
Right. And then
And then
this
there
one.
it wasn't on to do what we needed to do.
Right. This one here, I actually should have put on first, but it tucks down in the side here.
And then we can fill it underneath there.
Right. So, yeah.
So we'll paint those. We had Daryl move that
I wonder if-
from the top to the side.
Did he pull the orifices out when he welded them, I wonder?
I'm sure he did.
I'm sure he did. Because it's not well replacing, but.
All right.
I just want to say from everybody at Spirit Cars,
Merry Christmas. Yeah, I should have put Deanna on calling everybody. We don't have that many people on the list. And wish everybody a Merry Christmas.
Yeah, wish everybody a Merry Christmas.
Oh, maybe I'll do that. She's got a half hour left.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we got.
All right. I might put her on that.
Yeah.
All right. So Merry Christmas. And you'll be back on Thursday.
Thursday, all day.
All day, and me too.
Full day and Thursday?
Everybody else will be gone, so it'll be nice. Be quiet around here.
I'm not, they pretty much stay themselves anyways.
Yeah.
They got quiet, I don't.
Oh yeah, Daryl, Grumpy Santa's.
Yeah, he don't think
He's
too much.
going to be out delivering presents tonight somewhere.
Right.
He's got a bunch of coal. It's just like lumps and lumps of it.
He's got the naughty and nice list. I made the nice list, so.
Oh
yeah.
well, he's the Grumpy Santa. He just does the naughty list.
He don't
All right.
even get involved with the nice list.
So that's it. Till next couple days.
Phantom Pete.
Phantom Pete.